Just dropped off my 5th passenger, and let's do a weekly update because the goal today was, as you know, get to $800. $798, I think we're close enough. 20 hours, that's awesome. 29 trips, that's not bad. I would have liked to do it in a little bit less trips, but it is what it is. We've been online for 46 hours. For Thursday, we are looking at $145. The goal is to be at 150. I think 145 is good enough. 5 trips. I've been online for 9 hours, active for 4, which means at least 4 hours went to working on my YouTube channel. Brilliant. Now, let's go back here and check out where we are and what we're going to do from here, right? This is the next strategy. Like, where do we go? What do we do? What would you guys do? You've made 150, which is your minimum. You just came from over here, SNA Airport, and you're all the way here. What would you do? I'll give you a second to think about it, or you can pause the video. First thing I'm going to do is go over here and turn on Connect for packages, pets, food, and rideshare. I'm going to turn everything on because I'm in an area that I haven't driven in a long time, okay? Now I'm going to zoom out so we can look at this together. Now I live, as you know, over here, right? So anything going this way is a no-no. And I don't think people live out here, right? But I'm going to try to avoid that. All right? What would you do? It's 5 o'clock. All right, this is what I'm going to do. Ontario Airport is here. If I get a ride going that way, I might take it. SNA is down here. I can try to go back that way. But most likely, I think I'm going to go towards Disneyland, which is right here, which isn't too far away. Go from here to Disneyland, and maybe from Disneyland end up here. And then from here, I'm going to try to shoot a ride and go this way. Because from there, it's a possibility I can get a ride that way. From here, there's a possibility I can go to Long Beach, right? This is what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? What should your Uber driver do? Technically, I'm not your Uber driver. But here, let's look at this. What is the queue looking like? 6 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock. By the time I get there, it will be a peak flights, 16 flights of the day. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Let's go. We're going to go towards Disneyland. Let's put Disneyland in here. Disney. Okay, not bad. 30 minutes away, 11 miles. I can handle that. Bada bing, bada boom. I will keep you guys posted. In case something comes up, I will pop it up in the background. I need to come up with a title for this video. This is the 9th video today, but I'll keep you posted. Now I'm not at the airport, so there's going to be less talking. We're just going to pause this, and as something pops up, I'll let you know. And who knows, my goal is still minimum. Give me 15, 20 bucks and get me towards Disneyland, get me towards John Wayne Airport, or get me towards downtown LA, or get me towards LAX, but I want to be going home. All right, let's see what happens. It is barking and I'm driving, and it barked for $4.90. F you, my friend, that is not safe. Why are you gonna give it to me twice? Because you're a retarded app. It's not safe. Uber algorithm, behave, otherwise I'm gonna put you in a timeout. I just said no to $4.90. Why would I take $4.70, you dumb piece of... I need to put gas in my car. This is embarrassing. Sorry guys, my algorithm is not behaving. On a positive note, gasoline in Orange County is $4.19. I'm gonna save some money. All right, time to fill up my gas tank. $10 at a time, baby. Oh my God. Oh, by the way, it is blowing up in the background. I don't think you need to keep seeing these $5 offers. It's giving me 5 or 6. So none of this I'm gonna show you. We'll probably record a little bit if something bigger shows up. But let these lowball graveyard container options go out of the way. By the way, there's a video that I made, a series of videos I made 2 days ago. I think they're in red, and it's something to do with the container. Check it out. That's where I talk about the container. I'm putting the algorithm in timeout because it's giving me nothing but poop rides, and I don't need to deal with that. We're gonna get rid of deliveries, and we'll leave the other stuff on. Let's see if it behaves. If it doesn't behave, I'll turn more options off. Just got some more fresh coffee before we get going. And I put in 2.6 gallons of gas. 2.6 gallons of gas. We're going up nice and slow. Let's see if the car starts. Check it out, my friends. I'm gonna do that again. Let me know when I said check it out, my friends, if the audio was okay, because my headset wasn't connected, and sometimes I think that doesn't sound good. It has noise in it. But check it out, my friends. Right here is what I just put in gas. Let me move it up here so you can see it. I'm in Placentia, and the cost right now is $4.19 for gas, plus 35 cents because I use my debit card. And in America, or in California, if you use credit card at Arco, they charge you 10 cents more. But let me do the math. If I put in 2.6 gallons, oh shit, it might have been cheaper. Damn it. Yeah, see, on 2 gallons, if I paid $4.29, I don't know. You guys can do the math. Let me know. But I think on 2 gallons, if I use a credit card, it would have been $4.29, $4.29, and then another, $2 and something, versus paying on debit. I paid $4.19. But I paid 35 cents. Okay, 35 cents extra for using a debit card works if I fill up the tank. Not on this little stuff. On this little stuff, it makes sense to use credit card. I'm always trying to save pennies, man. Pennies important. So I'm gonna try that trick. I'm gonna drive a block, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna fill up again for 2.6 gallons, and I'm gonna see if my car will start. Then that's basically the new thing. I can put in 5.2 gallons like that and not have to worry about it till the rest of the night. I think I filled up gas 3 times today, twice in the morning. And if I can do it twice, that just makes it a little bit easy. I can do 2 at a time. Twice in the morning, twice in the afternoon, twice at night. Let's see what happens. Okay, I did the math. Check this out. Check this out. Oh my God, it's barking in the back. What do you got? Oh, hell yeah. San Clemente. Oh, that's not going to. Oh, it's a package. Fuck it, we'll take it. I don't have to sit with anybody, and I get $30. Why not? And from San Clemente, I'll use destination mode to come back. I like packages, guys, because Pakistani people got big packages. And no, what are you trying to match? There's nobody here that's gonna take a package. Come on, bro. Come on, algorithm. Come on. What you matching for? Are you trying to pitch this to somebody else for less money? Bullshit. Give me this shit, Mr. Algorithm. You ain't matching with nobody. Hopefully my car turns on, because I was doing that back-to-back trick. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's go back here to the more important stuff. Okay, so I did do it. Look, it cost me $11.30 over here, where I charged me for the debit card. Then I did the same thing on credit right now to fill my gas back to back. It cost me $11.22. So it is cheaper to use. Yeah, it is cheaper to use credit card when I'm putting in 2 gallons at a time. But if I put in more than 3 gallons, then it's cheaper to use a debit card. Lesson learned. All right, now the hard part. Let's see if the car turns on. Okay, the car did turn on, but it choked once. Meaning, one time it was barking, and it was not happy. And I got stressed out a little bit, and then I was like, oh shoot, I just got a ride, man, bro, you better work for me. So basically, if I put in 2.6 gallons, I have to crank it 2 times to get it started. But if I put in 2.6 gallons of gas just once, it will keep working. I got to take it to the mechanic. I got a couple more days. I'll be in the area. I know somebody texted me, their mechanic in Covina. I'm not going to be in that area till another 4 days, but in next 4 days, I'm only putting in 2.6 gallons of gas at a time until I can take it to the mechanic. All right, this video is going to end. I'm going to upload it for you guys, drop this package off, and then use destination mode and start heading home. That's where we're at, my friends.